Home repairs often end up at the bottom of your to-do list, right? Tired of waiting weeks for someone to fix that leaky faucet? At WSJ Remodeling and Handyman Services, we get it. That's why we offer fast, reliable service, usually within the same week you call. What sets us apart? We're your neighbors in Creekside, not some big corporate chain. With over 20 years of experience, we know exactly what your home needs. From kitchen renovations to bathroom updates, we handle it all with care. Our customers love us. 95% give us 5-star ratings based on nearly 250 reviews this year. Wondering about cost? Handyman services here typically run between $75 and $150 per hour, but we provide clear quotes up front. No hidden fees, no surprises. We show up on time and get it right the first time. Whether it's a small fix or a full remodel, we're here to help. Don't let those repairs linger any longer. Call us for your free quote and experience the difference. Your home deserves it.